Okay, once again, uh, you should have already gone through the tutorial and be familiar and have Onshape up and running. Um, and we are now going to have a look at the Fidget Bearing Male. So you've got a new Parts Studio open. We will get rid of the top and the right plane. We don't need to see those if you saw what I just did over there, or you already watched the first tutorial. Now on this front plane, we're going to select that again, and we're going to say Sketch, right click, View Normal onto Plane. Zoom in, because once again this is a small part, and from our center point datum we are going to sketch one line horizontally, and that one is going to be 12, isn't it? Yep, 12. So like I said, it's rather small. I'll zoom in again from this line, making sure we're vertical, not at any angle. We are definitely at right angles. We can click and we will make that one 3 mil off in a horizontal plane, and that one is going to be 6 vertically. That is going to be 2.3 horizontally at 3.5, vertically at 5, horizontally at 2.5, enter. Now that should be at right angles and join back up with our datum point that we started on, 10.3 as it happens. Now we're going to scroll in with our sketch still open, our sketch line I should say still. We're going to make a line somewhere up there, escape, sketch line somewhere over here, escape, and our dimension tool from this point to our line is going to be 2 mil, and from this point to our line is going to be again 8.5. With the 3-point arc selected, we will start as that line highlights and the intersecting line highlights. We click, then we come over to this line highlights that runs horizontal, and the intersecting line highlights at the same time. Click again, raise that up, the arc will run this way. We'll click and make that 20. Now with that said, we have to remove a few lines, so our trim tool will remove this one, and I'm going to zoom in to make sure I remove the right line there and that one as well, and zoom back in and remove both sections of that line. Almost done. A little filleting to happen. Now we will fillet this and this point, a radius of 1, enter. We will fillet this and this point at a radius of 1, enter. We will also fillet this and this point, but not at 1, we're only going to make that one 0.5, enter. Now there we've completed our sketch as it needs to be. We say yes, we're happy with that. And the last thing again is on the little donut revolve command. We click on that, and we can click and drag a box around all of our sketch. Click into the revolve axis, and that's the axis line we will revolve around. And yes, we're happy with that, and we now have our Fidget Bearing Male.